Tiny Tones. It's Kids Study Channel.
Hello kids, do you know who I am? I am Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Now we will discuss some interesting facts about jellyfish. Kids, do you know jellyfish are mostly made up of water, not jelly. That's why they look different in the water than out of it. Jellyfish do not have major organs like heart, lungs, and brain. Hello kids, guess who I am? My name is Walrus. Walrus. Okay kids, there are some interesting facts about walrus. These are huge marine mammals with a weight up to 5,000 pounds. Kids, do you know these animals are also very social like dolphins? Hello kids, I am a cute sea animal and my name is Sea Urchin. Sea Urchin. Now we will discuss some interesting facts about sea urchins. Do you know kids, sea urchins have no brain? Sea urchins have a long lifespan. Like turtles, they can live up to 200 years in water. Kids, do you know any interesting fact about sea urchins? Hello kids, I am an intelligent sea animal and my name is Squid. Squid. It's time to discuss some interesting facts about squids. Kids, do you know squids are the largest invertebrates present in the sea? They have 8 arms and 2 tentacles. These tentacles help them to catch their prey. Squids have a beak-like structure similar to birds, used to crush and eat their prey. Kids, this is the largest sea mammal, whale. Whale. Kids, do you know these interesting facts about whales? Blue whales are the largest animals ever to live on Earth. And they can grow over 90 feet long. Hello kids, my name is Eel. Eel. Kids, do you know eels have elongated worm-like bodies? Some electric eels can generate electric shocks in the water. Kids, do you know any other interesting fact about eels? Kids, it's quiz time. Are you ready? Guess the name of the sea animal. 1, 2, 3. Yes, this is walrus. Guess the name of this sea animal. 1, 2, 3. Squid. Squid. Now learn these names with me. Jellyfish, walrus, sea urchin, whale, eel, squid.
Thanks for watching.